Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. This is Umar with you. Time now is around 6 p.m. and today is 29th of November. And these FIIs are number one manipulators. Now what is happening in terms of market is they are taking the market from 23,300 till 24,300. They have pumped it around 1000 points rally, right? That's what happened. From there they have brought it below 24,000, which happened yesterday, right? Now what is going to happen is a $1,000,000 question now. If you are aware of what is happening in terms of macroeconomic data, around 4 p.m. today evening, India Q3 GDP data came out and it came at very low. It came out at a very low number. In fact, this Q3 data is the lowest in the last 4 quarters. So it came out at around 5.4%, which is, as I told you, is the lowest in the last 3 quarters, 2024. I'm talking about 2024. What might happen to the market? That is the main question. Now, as I talk to you, US futures are all in the green, and GIFT Nifty is marginally showing. It is marginally trading in the red. It is down. It is almost flat. It is almost flat. Now, whether we are going to gap up or gap down tomorrow is a $1,000,000 question right now. Right now, I'll tell you, there are people who are very resilient. I am very resilient now. I have a huge short position. Even as I talk to you, I have a short position. You can see it in the screen. Now, yesterday it was around 5 lakhs. Today it has come to around 2.5 or 3 lakhs. Now, we still expect the market will go on the downside. Now, I may be right, I may go wrong. That is a whole different thing, right? Because I can think whatever I want, right? Because as I told you, I am very resilient. I am stretching everything. I am going out of my way and doing everything right. Doing everything doing everything right. So holding this position with a huge loss itself is a big stress. Every 100 points move in the market, positive move in the market is killing me like anything. You know what is happening, gamma effect will come, market there is a skew. So that is what you call stress, right? So what is going to happen tomorrow? Now the main question here is, are we going to hit 24,500 or we going to hit 25,000? Which is going to come first? That is what we are going to see. Now if you see the charts, or if you see the hourly chart, now what I can see in the chart is there is no positional short or long in Nifty or in terms of Banknifty. And of course, when we talk about indices, today is the last day. In fact, November 20th is the last day. But due to, last week of November series had all the monthly expiry, so this is the last day for FII. They had a chance to play. Now I have a short position, and till now I'm holding it. I will talk about that. So if they leave it today, it is not going to happen anytime soon, right? So that's why they can play. You can see a lot of volatility in the market. And I'm sure nobody, if there are any intraday traders, they would have not made money in this kind of market. Of course, there are intraday traders who make money in the market. I'm not saying there are no intraday traders. There are traders who are making money, but it would have been very, very hard today. But let's talk about the market, right? We'll leave that behind. So what I see, or what I have in my perspective, is that market is having a huge institutional, or having a huge short position at around 24,300. Now there is every possibility that the market may come on the downside. Now let us see it on the other way. Let us assume that if this GDP data is taken very seriously, our markets has never taken this GDP data very seriously, which is usually nobody does, because no matter what happens, our market tends to go on the higher side. Let's say they have taken it very, very seriously. I don't think market is going to go to about 20,000 first day, 24,000 or 23,500 or 23,000. First thing is, I don't think market is going to go even at around 24,300. 24,300 on the top side. Even if it goes to around 24,300, there is a huge short position by FIAs, as I told you, at around 24,300. So they will try to short the market, is what is I believe. Now let us say, for example, if the market gaps down tomorrow, we might see maybe around 23,800 level. That is where institutions are having some long positions, or institutions are having some positions. So you will have to see if the market crosses 24,300 or 23,800. So that is very, very important. So this is all hypothetical. We cannot decide on these things now, right? We will have to wait and see. As I told you, US markets are all in the green. If at all it gaps down tomorrow, we will have to try to market will try to retrace around, let's say, for example, it is gapping around 24,000, below 24,000, it may try to retrace to 24,200 or 24,100, but I don't see market going anywhere more than 24,000 or 24,500 or even 25,000 anytime soon is my expectation. So this is what I expect. So let's see how things work out, right? Now let me show you the GDP data, and let me show you what is happening in terms of market, so that you will get a clear idea of what is happening. As I told you, GDP, this is the GDP data. Let me refresh the screen so that you can see the screen. Yeah, this is the GDP data, and yeah, this is the GDP data, and you can see this is the lowest. Q3 is the lowest, which is around 5.4%, and you can see the US GIFT Nifty also. GIFT Nifty is at around 40, it's almost flat, so we don't have to worry about that. And in terms of Nifty, if you can, as I told you, there is a huge position at 24,300. This is the level 24,300, and it is going to, maybe even if the market goes on the higher side, it will go and try and touch here, then come down, is what we expect. That is why we are holding our position. Don't get me wrong, I may go wrong. That is 100%. That I have gone wrong many times, and I may go wrong. And the major reason why today we were going on the higher side is, if you see here, we had a retracement and market went till around 24,123. From around 24,900, 240 points it has traveled, and in fact it was not even able to close above 24,200. Now if let's say, for example, if the market gaps down on the downside here, somewhere here, right, what will happen is it will try to touch now 23,800. This area 23,800 is having huge volume. FIs are having huge volume, so they may try to again retrace if it gaps down. If it gaps up, let us see, if it gaps up, or let's say it is opening flat, it is going to go maybe touch 24,300. That is hypothetical. It may touch. I'm not going to say, because I am having short position, it will not touch. It will touch, but that is hypothetical. And in today morning, I posted a blog in our website, where I was expecting a sideways move. Let me show you that blog so that you can understand. I have even drawn a path on that one, so that I was expecting that the market will move on the sideways. So that didn't happen because of many reasons. You know why? This is just how to say, this is just a dead cat bounce, right? Whenever market is falling and you are seeing a huge drop in market in just one day, market has dropped more than 450 points. You will expect a dead cat bounce. That is what has happened today, right? So we'll see how things work out. Let me open this block and let us see what has happened to the positions we have mentioned in our chart. So last but not least, and let me go to the blog session. Yeah, let me change the screen for you. And I was expecting a consolidation market today. So this is what I was expecting. Now if you see this chart, I was expecting this consolidation. Today I was expecting that the market will come down. I was from 24,000, I never expected it will go till 24,120. I was expecting it to come down and close below 24,000, but anyway, that didn't happen. Maybe tomorrow it might happen. We will have to wait and see. As of now, I am holding short position. I wouldn't recommend you to hold a short position, but if you want, you can hold a short position, is what I believe, right? Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Till then, take care. Bye.